Male and female power adapters are used in conjunction with installing C7 and C9 socketed wire on job sites. These adapters connect the wire to the power supply outlet. Let's take a close look at a male adapter. It has two parts, the body and the slider. Looks simple enough, and it is. Your wire with trimmed ends slides into the body, and the slider locks the wire in place, and the connection is made. Looking closer, you can see that the body has the male prongs on one side and a groove on the other. Inside that groove are two pointed spikes. The spikes are connected to the male prongs on the other side of the body. To connect the wire to the plug, you first separate about a ½ inch of the wire in the center by pulling the wire apart. Next, cut off a ½ inch of one of the wires you have separated. You do that so they will not touch each other and short out when they're inserted into the body of the adapter. Notice when you look into the groove side of the adapter, one end of the groove is open. That is the side that the wire will rest in when it's inserted into the body. Now look at the other end of the groove. You will notice a small rectangular opening at the end on the bottom and at the end of the groove. Take the wire you have trimmed and push it all the way into the opening. Now that the wire has been inserted into the opening, lay it flat into the groove so it is protruding from the body through the opening at the end of the body. Here's where the slide comes into play. The slide has two grooves that will allow it to be locked onto the body. Take the slider and move it over the lip on the groove side of the body and slide it onto the body until it completely covers the top. What has just happened here? The ridge on the bottom of the slider has pressed the wire onto the spikes, and a connection has been made with the prongs on the other side of the body. Plug the polarized plug into a 110-volt outlet, and you should have power to your string of lights. If your lights don't work, unplug the cord, open the slider, and check to see if the spikes have pierced the wire. Occasionally, the male prongs on the other side of the adapter slide out under pressure when you close the slider. Check to make sure the male prongs are fully extended on the front of the body and are making a good contact with the wire. Insert the wire, close the slider, and plug the lights in again.